Sitting here looking at the pictures, celebrating life, I'm feeling gifted. Cocktail of emotion got me twisted. Gone too soon, you know I miss you. Feeling kinda hip.
Sometimes people do things that make other people feel unsafe, and that will cause them to be excluded. What are some actions that make people feel unsafe? Taking things from others, screaming or yelling, fighting. If you do those things, that will make people leave you out. Then you end up alone, without friends. If you want to be in a group, you have to change your own behavior. What are 3 good reasons why your classmates should like you? You solve problems peacefully. 2, you are kind to others, and it's fun to play with you. You never do mean things. And those are 3 good reasons why your classmates should like you. So do them.
To solve problems peacefully is by not fighting, arguing or anything, and by asking them for what you want, or by just telling the teacher.
I want to interview you. All right, what do you like in a friend?
And a friend?
Yes.
I like when friends be kind to me, and they play with you, and they don't be like, ew, I don't like you. They're fun to play with.
Oh, they're fun to play with. Okay, so when you're going to choose a group to work with, like in the classroom, what makes you want to include a person in your group? Like, who would you choose to be in a group with?
Like Isabella.
Why?
Because Isabella's one of my friends, and she's kind.
Okay, so she's kind.
What I like in a friend is that they are always there to play with you and make your life better.
Okay.
They at least play with me and not make me lonely.
What do you not want in your group?
The people that be mean to me.
Okay. What's something that you consider mean?
People that push you and kick you and push you out of the line.
We're the same.
Okay. So you don't want those people in your group. Well, I can't blame you for that.
If you do those mean things, what will you lose?
If you want to work with us, you have to learn positively.
Join this group and you're being positive. That's good. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up or daily young.
Okay, do it again.
2 thumbs up for daily young.
The rainbow and remain. And you underline the vowels. I'm going to show you the answers because I want you to figure out yourself. That's 15.
When you solve problems peacefully, and you're kind and a good friend, what do you win?
Say what?
That's kind of low.
Bye.